Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 no sound in Microsoft Edge. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Select Output Device, click Set Default, click Apply, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Sound, open Volume Mixer. Click Reset. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.